In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find large files in Google Drive. As we all know, over time, our Google Drive can fill up with numerous files, and it's easy to lose track of which ones are taking up the most space. Fortunately, Google Drive offers a simple way to manage these files and regain storage space without having to sift through each individually. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the Google Drive website. If you're not already logged in, now's the time to enter your credentials and sign in to your Google account. Once logged in, you will be greeted by your Google Drive dashboard, which gives you access to all the files and folders stored in your account. Our goal is to identify the files that are taking up significant storage space. To do this efficiently, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a panel with different options. Locate and click on the option labeled Storage. This section provides a comprehensive overview of your current storage usage. Upon clicking Storage, Google Drive will display a list of your files, neatly arranged in order according to their size, with the largest files appearing at the top. This feature makes it incredibly easy to identify the files that are occupying the most space. You can casually scroll through this list and spot any files that you may no longer need or didn't realize were consuming so much space. As you review this list, consider files that might be out of date, duplicates, or simply not required. To free up space, right-click on a file you wish to delete, and you'll see a pop-up menu. From this menu, you can select Remove to move the file to the trash. Remember that merely moving files to the trash does not permanently delete them. For this, you'll need an additional step. To ensure the files are permanently deleted, you'll want to click on the Trash option found on the left panel of your screen. Inside your trash, you'll see all the files you previously moved there. To finalize their deletion and free up the storage space, simply click the Trash drop-down towards the top of your screen and select Empty Trash. This action will permanently remove those files, granting you more space on your Google Drive. Keep in mind, routine checks of your storage can help maintain a tidy drive and prevent surprises when it comes to hitting storage limits. By organizing and managing your files periodically, you'll ensure your Google Drive runs smoothly and efficiently. With these simple steps, you can quickly identify and remove large files from your Google Drive, freeing up valuable storage space. So why not take a moment now to give it a try and reclaim control over your digital storage? Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.